Here is an up-close view of the Jet drum sander. This is just in our garage workshop. This is the newest addition in here. So this is the 1632. We use it a lot for cutting boards and panels. Here is some of the work that it's done. All these panels, it was definitely a needed upgrade because it cut our workload time literally more than in half. We'll black out the serial number, but there's the other information in there. Up here. This is where you connect your dust collection, and it works really great. All this dust is from sanding with the orbital sander. Right, here we go. On, off. Here's your settings dial. And I like that there's storage down here. My husband was doing some orbital sanding on the other ones, but he uses the bottom of this for storing all of the panels that are already done. This thing works great. We've had it for probably 2 or 3 months now, and it works phenomenally. Here's what the inside of the drum sander looks like. Here's a little spin. This has been one of the best time savers for us, and we have definitely loved adding it to our vast collection of wood tools. So yeah, here it is. We got some casters on here with some brakes on. All 4 casters have the brakes. It's really solid. Definitely a great addition to our workshop.